First, we load the welding jig with crossbars, center bars, and side plates. All of these components are made using American steel. Once the components are loaded into the jig, the alignment bars are closed to hold the pieces in place so the robot can weld the assembly together. The robot is programmed to start by tacking the assembly together, while the robot goes through its final welding program, which applies strong beads along every seam. There are things that need a human touch. Once the robot has finished its job, the concave is released from the welding jig and moved to a table to where our skilled welder puts the finishing touches on by hand. This attention to detail brings extra strength to the concave. Now the welder grinds a bevel on the edges of the wires, so they slip smoothly into place within the concave frame. As he feeds the wire through the concave frame, the welder bends the wires to follow the curvature of the frame. Then he uses an air hammer to drive the wires firmly into place. After putting them in place, the welder perfectly aligns the wires before they're permanently held in place in the frame. Now, the final assembly is ready to be moved to the paint booth. The painter hangs each concave so every angle can be coated in the appropriate shade of green paint. Once the paint is cured, the concaves are inspected for quality, added to inventory, and taken to the warehouse where they wait to be shipped to your door. CTA Abilene Machine concaves are manufactured at our facility in Solomon, Kansas. Thresh with the best. Order your concaves from Abilene Machine.